How you doing? You're very welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing all right. Today I'm going to speak about IMDb. Now, IMDb for me is if I'm looking for a movie or a TV show or something. I want to see, when the next release date is, or for example, who starred in it. I'm looking for an actor or something. Look on IMDb. I would never associate voice acting with IMDb, in our line of work. For me, just firsthand, I'm sure maybe some of you would, but I didn't. It wasn't for me. IMDb was always about the movies, the movie stars, Hollywood, TV shows, this stuff. Well, my friend, I was very wrong. So I'm going to show you today how IMDb can help you get more voice acting work for absolutely free. Capiche? All right. Now, as I showed in my last video, I was lucky enough to voice a small part in an actual feature film, an actual movie in the cinema. And it got me thinking, wow, maybe, I'll check out the old IMDb. So I did, and lo and behold, there was my name. And I also found my name on another small job I did last year that I forgot all about. So I registered for the free version of IMDb and had a serious look inside it, did a bit of studying, and I found out a great way to get some voiceover work. So I'm going to show you right now. All right? Bear with me. All right. So this is my IMDb page. All right. What you guys are looking at. I didn't have a page 2 weeks ago. I just set it up. But how you find out if you've done a job, just search your name into the search bar up there on the top. Let's search IMDb. Put your name in there and see. They might have some people that have the same name as you, but eventually you might find something because you're doing a lot of these jobs through these, these platforms that you could be doing some work for. Somebody will say, I'm going to put your name in the credits, and you'll go, yeah, whatever, yada, yada, yada. But lo and behold, there you are. So this is how to capitalize on it. Now, my internet's a little bit funny today, so bear with me, okay? All right. So this is the movie Shepherd, which I was in last week. Unbelievable. Just going to click on this. Oh, but I hope this is working. Crew. Okay. I got big internet problems today, so it's very slow. So I found the movie Shepherd. I've clicked on cast and crew. And as you can see, the director, Russell Lowen, all the stars, Guy of Ice and Tom Hughes, and then the producers, the music, etc. Scroll down, sound department. There I am, voice actor. So I'm just going to click on my name. All right, here I am. So basically, I've signed up for the IMDb. Now, you can't put a picture in unless you go with the IMDb Pro. I haven't done that yet, but I will show you a way this can really benefit you as a voice actor for absolute free. So let's go down here. I filled in all the details. These are the couple of things I've been on, the jobs I've done in IMDb that I found myself in, or I've added myself in. There's lots of tutorials on YouTube, how to sign up for IMDb, etc. But basically, I filled in the basic information. I did the bio, etc. And then come down here, your other works, some jobs you've done, your publicity listings, your official sites, and your alternative names, whatever your voice acting name is. So let's just go down here for a second where it says, where am I going here? Okay, so see more, this part here, right? See more, click on that. All right, the reason why I'm staying a bit silent during the transfer of the page is because my internet, the sound will all get muddled up and distorted, and it's already not the best anyway. So, okay, so now I'm going to click on other works. Okay, actually, I should have clicked on official sites. So here's official sites. All right, this is the part I'm talking about. So as you can see under official sites, where it says professional voice actor, I've linked my website. Even if you don't have a website, you can link your Facebook, your Instagram, your Twitter, YouTube, your TikTok if you have it. And then if you have a look down there, I've linked all my YouTube demos, the video clips, the sound clips, whatever you want. But basically, if you click on those sound clips, it's going to bring you straight to my demos on YouTube. It'll bring you straight to my demos on YouTube, which, you know, the long and the short of it is that this is in the algorithm. And IMDb is one of the biggest sites in the world for actors, people looking for actors. So for example, if somebody, you know, finds me and has a look in, they're like, wow, this guy can do this. They click on it, they hear your voice, it might bring you to something else, you know? So basically, it's a great way of getting yourself out there. Good old IMDb free. Now, there is an IMDb Pro version, which you can do when you upload a picture and stuff. I probably will get that down the line. But for you guys starting out, it's a real good way to get your stuff out there and also, you know, get your name out there. If you found anything at all that you've done that you think is on IMDb, link yourself to it and give it a shot, you know? Hold on a second. All right, we're back. Sorry about that, folks. The internet's a little bit dodgy the last couple of days. So, yeah, especially when I'm doing these live videos, you know, these video recordings, it can be a little bit muddled, and especially the sound. And it probably was during this video. If it was, I apologize. Anyway, what are you going to do? Forget about it. Right. So my advice to you, go on IMDb, sign up for the free version. All right. Have a look through some of the voiceovers you've done. If you find anything at all that you've done, link your name to it. Your name might be linked already. Maybe somebody put your name in, but you don't have an IMDb account, so your name's just there. What you can do is then go into that project, if it's a movie or a video game or whatever, have a look. You can go to edit on the bottom left, and then go up to the sound department, find yourself, put yourself in there, and if you've been in it, they got to accept you, and that's it. And away you go, and you can build from there. So from now on, everything I do, people say to me, oh, I'm going to put you in the credits. Keep an eye out. Write it down. Put it on your PC, your memo, your notes, whatever, because more than likely, it's going to end up on IMDb. And it can only build your profile even bigger and make it better, you know? Anyway, so I say go for it. Join up. You should be on IMDb, especially the free version. You know, what are you going to lose? Capiche? All right, folks. Don't forget, like and subscribe to my channel, all right? So, see you guys soon. And, yeah, as always, happy voiceover.